Good evening. I'm Tony Velasquez. On our broadcast tonight, Black Friday protests against Philippine Public Works corruption. The separate demonstrations by university students and farmers were held ahead of bigger protests scheduled for Sunday. Jervis Manahan has tonight's top story.
Dapat managot lahat ng sagot, inhinyero ng bayan.
Students and professors from UP Diliman College of Engineering took a stand against corruption hounding their industry. They condemned the irregularities committed by state engineers.
Hindi nagpapakapagod, nagbabanat ng buto ang ating mga profesional buong araw para lang sa katiting na sahod habang bilyon-bilyon ang nakukulimbat ng ating mga nasa estado.
They say they value the education of future engineers to have honor and integrity in their profession.
Kaya tayo nagpo-protesta kasi mali yung sistema, pero agree na sa mga graduates pa lang namin, yung engineers na aming hinuhubog ay dapat hindi na co-corrupt.
In UP Los Baños, thousands of students walked out of their classes.